Hi everyone, once again welcome to my channel. Myself Varsha and student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, first semester EHS section, Department Basic Science, subject Waste Management, topic Waste Management, Record Keeping, Control, Inventory and Monitoring. Credits are 3. Contents: the meaning of waste management information about record keeping, control, inventory, monitoring. What is waste management? Waste management refers to the collection, transportation, processing, recycling, and disposal of various types of waste materials generated by human activities. The goal of waste management is to minimize the negative environment and health impact of waste while maximizing the resources recovery through recycling and other substitutable particle. This includes solid wastes like garbages, hazardous waste, water waste, and domestic waste, and more. Importance of record keeping. Effective waste management yields the accurate and detailed record keeping to track waste generation, disposal, and recycling. Proper documentation enables informed decision making and regulatory compliances. Record keeping. Accurate record keeping is needed for effective medical waste management. Record keeping might give some important information to assess the quantity and quality of generated waste, to assess the cost directed related within the man and materials, to assess the cost related with waste treatment and disposal method, to assess the recurrent expenditure, to assess the risk involved with generate waste, amount and nature of accident, amount of danger, measure taken for accidents, to assess the failure problems and obstacles in waste management for better compliances of the problems. Importance of waste management record keeping. Types and quantities. Documenting various types of waste generated, hazardous and non-hazardous, recyclable, and quantities provides over specific periods. Waste generated sources. Recording whether the waste originated within the organization or process. Handling procedures. Details to method used to handle, store and transfer waste within a outside the faculties. Disposal and recycling methods, tracking how waste is disposal of recycled, treated, including the faculties, facilities and used for this process. Compliances documentation, maintenance, record to demonstrate compliances with local, states and federal regulations governing waste management. Manifests and permits. Keeping manifests documents that track the movement of hazard waste, and permits related to waste disposal or transportation. Training and procedure. Document employees training related to waste handling and disposal procedures. Habits and inspiration. Keeping record of internal and external habit and inspiration related to waste management practices through record keeping is essential for regulatory compliances, environment impact, and improving waste reduction strategies. Control. Waste generation control. Implementing measure to minimize the amount of waste produced at the sources, segregation and sorting, organizing waste into different categories to facilitate recycling, composition or proper disposal, treatment and processing. Employs methods like composition, recycling waste to energy process to manage and reduce waste. Regulatory compliances to law and regulatory governing waste disposal and management practices. Innovation and technology, utilizing advancement in technology for more efficient waste sorting, recycling, and disposal method. These aspects collective contribute to collecting waste and promoting more substitutable waste management practices. Inventory. Inventory in waste management refers to the comprehensive catalog, cataloging and tracking of various aspects within the waste disposal and recycling process. Waste composition inventory. Categorizing the types and quantities of different waste materials generated, their composition, and plan effective management strategies. Chemical inventory, documenting hazardous waste and chemical present in waste stream to handle and disposal of them safely to regulatory guidelines. Inventory to reuses, identifying items within the waste that could be salvaged, reused, reducing overall waste generation. The composition of solid waste should be measured at least once a year for major districts and possible once every 2 years in a residential area with standard growth rate and development. Changes in composition affect the collection equipment and configuration of the collection system in the important in design and disposal system. Monitoring. All these decisions should be based on reliable data, without which the waste collection system will invalid and ineffective. Proper interpretation of monitoring data allows the authority to adapt the proposed systems to actual condition. In some instances, it also managed to identify areas where the design is not realistic. Thank you for watching my video.